your expectations for this show low? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Katsucon! I'm Samurai Dan. I don't need to be as loud now, do I? I have a tendency to cut off microphones. With me, as always, is the lovely and talented Lady Jillian, and we are here. That's okay, back in school you had your own bus, too.
Oh.
I'll be sleeping in the hallway tonight, as normal.
I think you're definitely right. These people didn't come to watch us swing swords around in the air. They want me to swing one at you.
Oh yeah, encourage this. Thanks. All right, fine. So teaching you everything you need to know about how to wield a samurai sword, I'm going to teach you what to do when someone attacks you with one. And I know what you're thinking. You're going, the time of the sword is past. No one cares. No one's going to jump out around the corner and tackle you with a 3-foot sharpened razor blade. This is the point of the weekend where I point out that you just happen to be at one of the largest anime cons in the world. Oh yeah, you know what that means? It means you are surrounded by thousands of people in anonymous costumes, heavily armed with poor impulse control. So if it's going to happen anywhere, it'll be here. And you need to know what to do, because normal human reaction, some psychotic blonde, your lovely and talented wife, may jump out from around a corner with a sword and swing it. And if you don't train, this is normally what you get. No, they get me!
Really? That's about one step up from the fetal position, dear.
And just so we're clear, the fetal position, not only was this not made use on the battlefield, it won't help you in your dating life either. Fetal position didn't work. So if you train a little bit in martial arts, you get what we have as our shout out to the greatest movie of all time, The Karate Kid! And that's this. Sword comes in.
Hey! Wax on?
Arm off. That really cool overhead lock you learned in karate class is not really intended for swordsmanship. Okay? It's not going to slow it down much. So what the samurai learned after a couple of people did the trial and error and went, oops, that didn't work. What the samurai learned was this amazing thing. If someone takes a 3-foot sharpened razor blade and swings it at your head, the best thing you can do is move. Well, I didn't say it was rocket science. But if the strike comes in, hey! Get out of the way.
Yeah!
Sword comes in,
hey!
You move. Okay,
yeah!
They got it.
Hey!
That's
Get
enough.
oh. Where are you going?
I'm going to sit with them.
Get back here!
No.
You signed up for this.
I did not sign on for this. 2 or 3 times just for the audience to understand what I'm trying to say. Beyond that, it's just abuse. And I did not sign on for abuse.
Yes, you did. You married me.
Oh.
You have a point.
Get back out here.
I'm banned.
All right, fine. Will you continue with the show if you get to play with your sword?
Well, yeah, I love... Oh, you... Right! Sorry. Sword combat! What?
Yay!
Oh, really? Are your expectations that low? You know why most of you didn't cheer? It wasn't real sword combat. That's not 2 people. This is not a life or death struggle. Whoa! If we miss, it doesn't matter because we're not aiming at each other. That's not combat on the battlefield. That's not even a good fight in our house on Friday night. I mean, when your wife misunderstands and tries her best to hit you, she's not aiming over here, she's not aiming over here. That strike's going right down Broadway because on a non-bomb, that's a lethal injury.
Going down Broadway now.
Which brings me to my next point. If someone attacks you with a sword, don't die. 25 years martial arts training went into this move. Please watch, it's really cool. Bad guy attacks. See this? I call it blocking. I highly recommend blocking. The way it works, sword comes at your head, you take your sword, you put it between their sword and your face.